All right, you guys, pulling up today at the homie shop out here at AA Auto Works with the homie Kenny. As you guys can see, your boy's all ghetto with the tape on the lip. You can see the damage there and on the little splitter. So I am going to be switching that out. As you guys can see, got a new lip coming as well. It's going to be the same one. I really like this style, so I'm going with the same lip. It's going to look a lot cleaner once the lip is brand new, once I have the new splitters on, and then the new upper fangs, what I'm excited to see on the car, because obviously I haven't done that yet. But then the whole front bumper is going to be looking super clean with all the fresh carbon. So it should look show ready. Big Euro show coming up. Kenny is about to throw on something new for you guys. It's going to be a banner for the front window. You guys know I have the bump sticker there. Might be taking that off and just rocking the upper banner. So we'll see how it looks. Not sure what color we're going with. I'll talk to him in a bit. But that's going to be new. So excited to see how that looks on the car. And then obviously going to take off one or the other once I see it on the car. You guys know I have the rear bumper bump sticker on the rear. So yeah, don't want to have too much on the car. So we'll see what we do. Right now, pulling up on him. Just got off of work. And look at this beauty. Super clean. Love his setup. Oh, and you guys, he just got new side skirts. Similar ones that I have on my car. Very aggressive. They're a lot thicker. They make the car look like it's real low. And he's on bags too, so it completes his car. Like I told him, been waiting for him to put these on. It's got a super clean CS style front lip. Really clean. Love his car. If I had an M4, I would definitely do everything he's doing to it. So Kenny was gonna let me wash the car, but I was like, no, it's all right, because today is Wednesday, and no, actually today's only Tuesday. I'm tripping. Today's only Tuesday, so I know I'm gonna end up washing the car. It's been pretty windy past couple days, so I don't really want to waste time washing the car. Car looks good. It's decent. And yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the wheels a little bit. I already did that one. Gonna do the rears and then the right front, and then he's gonna help me install, or I'll try to help him install the banner, and then we're gonna take some product shots, and hopefully they'll be up on the website soon for you guys. So if you guys like them, check them out and go ahead and cop once they're up on the site. Oh,
I need them for my
damn. Car. What? So this is how you guys are gonna get that perfect fitment? Hell yeah. Or this is how you hide it? Tuck it under?
Yeah. Put it right on the edge.
And if some of you guys are trying to get weight reductions, it's a good way to lose, how many pounds? 5 pounds?
It's like 10 pounds of boost.
10 pounds? Dang. Didn't know that came off that easily. Ooh. No air bubbles. Let's go. All right, we're about to put this stuff back on, and then we're gonna go shoot. Check it out, you guys. The bump banner in the matte black. It's cut out there, so you can always see it. All right, you guys, so we're finally gonna go ahead and get the cars up on top of a rooftop. He's telling me that we should be able to get on top of this target. It's gonna be a pretty sick sunset for sure. It's pretty clear today, so hopefully we can get some dope shots. But yeah, I'm gonna take some product shots for you guys. Make sure you guys check out their website. I'll put it down below, and then you guys can cop the same thing I got on my car. All right, you guys, so we're heading up to the top, tippy top. Gonna be a dope sunset. Never been to the very top of this Target parking lot, so this is new to me. Oh, looks like there's a little blockade. There's no security, so we should be okay. Let's go. Nobody else is up here. Probably just employees' cars, but hell yeah. We got Mr. Kenny with us. Such a bad influence. I wonder why they block it though. I wonder if there's any specific reason. Bruh. Kenny's smart. He went to go close it up so it doesn't look like we came up here, but check it out, you guys. Should be dope. Hopefully there's nobody up here. Hopefully there's no security or nothing. If anything, we'll just tell them. I mean, we're just taking photos. Nothing crazy. This is sick. Hell yeah. Woo-wee. Damn, Kenny looking real good taking photos of my car. Car's looking good. Look at that. It's freaking beautiful up here, man. Why are they not letting us come up here? Shoot. We found our new favorite spot. Oh, shit. We got the popos. But damn, you guys, car's looking super good. Clean the wheels so they're definitely shining. We're up pretty high, too. I think we're on like the 4th or 5th level. It's like 4 levels high or something like that. 5? Yeah, that shit took forever to get up here. But yeah, it's worth it. Looks super clean. Look at that. That's beautiful. I want to know, guys, honestly, what is... I think it'd be cool to find out from you guys. What is the coolest part that I have on the car? Or what stands out to you the most? And I know a lot of you guys always give me compliments on the car, but what is it about the car that you guys actually really, really like? What is your favorite mod I've done so far? Please let me know. I really want to know. Comment down below. This rooftop is my favorite spot so far out here in the valley. This is sick. Killing it. Just really in love with how the car is sitting. Obviously, there's little things here and there that I want to do. But yeah, how do you guys like the banner on the car? Let me know. I've never rocked a banner on the car, on any of my cars before. And really dope because obviously our roofs are carbon fiber, so it's kind of black. So it really flows well doing a black banner like this. It honestly like changed the look of the car a lot, to be honest. And it's so crazy driving with a banner on the car now too, because it's not see-through, so you can't see through it. And it made the inside of the car a lot darker, so it's just totally different. It's a weird feeling, but yeah, I think it looks really, really good with the car. You guys, I was telling Kenny right now, I don't know, for whatever reason that rear looks super dumped. Like, I didn't even realize how close, or maybe it's just an illusion because of ground. I don't know. That shit looks fucking sick right here though. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. That's my car, you guys. Sometimes we don't spend enough time admiring what we have. Let me know down below what I should do next too. I've got a big idea that I want to do for the car very soon. But yeah, we'll see exactly when I decide to do that. You guys can get it though. Woo. Damn, you guys, Kenny's... Woo! Dude, I want him to make my shit that loud. I actually really like... I thought you could hear mine, but you can't really even hear mine that loud. Damn. This car looks so good. Damn, look at that sunset in the back too. Yes, sir. Damn, that shit goes hard. Me and Kenny are out here, man. Not too many bagged F80s or F82s. So we out here killing it. Been noticing a lot more of you guys switching to bags. I don't know. Could have been us. You know? Just saying, I started noticing a lot more of you guys going bags. So shout out to you guys for all the support. Glad you guys are taking on bags, because bags just make the car look so good when it's aired out. Can't do that with coils. Yep. Starting the movement here. It's getting popular. All right, you guys, so we are done shooting on the top of this awesome rooftop. I never knew that there was a top part to this parking structure that we could have access to. So apparently you got to do some mischievous things, but we got it done. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. I really appreciate you guys. Again, hit them up. Hit up my homie Kenny. Hit up Follow the Bum. Follow their IG. You guys can order. But damn. Hi, my boy. Later. Hey, man. It's real cool to have homies that have the same car as you. Clean setup. Love cruising with him. But yeah, hit him up. Make sure you guys order some merch. I've been rocking a lot of their sweaters and shirts. They got a bunch of different colors. Let's keep this movement going, you guys. I started noticing a lot of you guys throwing them on your car, all the bums out there. Like this video, comment down below. I'll see you guys at the next show or at the next little car meet. Hopefully I run into you guys. If you guys see me, say what's up. Appreciate you guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.